everybody, welcome. Today I want to talk to you guys about receipts. Yes, receipts. Now if you know me, I love to shop, but I love to shop at as cheap as I can and as free as I can. Well, you know what? There is a lot of apps out there that I want to share with you guys on stuff that you can get. Now, there's apps out there like there's Ibotta, there is Fetch Rewards, there's Checkout 51, there's Swagbucks and stuff. There's a ton of apps where if you scan your receipts when you buy specific items, you get money back. But what I wanted to share with you guys is stuff where you guys can basically scan your receipts to get free money. So the holidays are coming up and a lot of people, you know, don't have all the money in the world, and this is something that you can start doing anytime, whenever you guys want. You just have to remind yourself. So these are all the apps that I use. So I'm going to share with you guys today all the money apps that I get for just scanning receipts. So we have Receipt Hog. Receipt Hog, I've had it for years. Now, some of these receipt apps do take a while to, like, you know, get your points. But that's the point. Like, you're scanning your receipts anyways, just keep doing it because eventually it'll add on. But what you do is Receipt Hog, you scan your receipts, they're pretty easy, and then what happens is every time you scan your receipts, it tells you if you like get points and stuff. I've only won, like, they have these things where you, like, if you scan it, you get like a bonus. I've won once in like 5 years. But they also have it where if you get so many points, you can get like Amazon gift cards. So like if you have 1,000 points, you can get a $5 Amazon gift card. 2,900 points, you get 15. 4,300 points, you get a 25, or 6,500, you get a $40 gift card for Amazon, or you can have it sent to PayPal, or you can get a Visa credit card. So I do that. Right now I have 4,039 points, but then they also let you spin. So you will spin basically to win. So we'll see if I won anything. My kids play this game for me. I just don't. Okay, so I didn't win. But you can win points and it adds up. So that is a great app where all you do is just scan your receipt. And there's tons of apps. So again, we're going to go to the next one. We have Receipt, what's this one called? This one is called Receipt, why am I drawing a blank? Receipt Pal. So again, you just scan your receipts, and then every 4 receipts that you get 100 points. And then they have it where if you connect also with Receipt Pal and Receipt Hog, if you connect some of your like Walmart or Target, you get points automatically without scanning receipts. So I never have to hardly scan any of my Walmart receipts because it automatically does that. So here you would just say scan e-receipts and it goes through some of my e-receipts automatically for me. But again, it's an easy way. I am currently at 1,100,670 points. So I am almost to a $50 Amazon gift card. I need 14,000 points to get an Amazon gift card. So I'm almost there. So it takes a bit, but it's still a great app to get. Now another one that is new is Coinout. Now they totally revamped their app, and all you have to do is just scan your receipts. Now they have it where as long as you keep rescanning your receipts, like you want to make sure you do this on a weekly basis. But if you do it, then you get like bonuses and all that stuff. And then they have it where if you get some plays, like I scanned some receipts. Right now I have 5,040 points, but this is a loud one. I didn't win, but it's like super easy. And my kids love playing these games on my phone. Okay, I just won 120 points. So that's just kind of cool. 120 points I won. And then for the rewards, you can choose between gift cards. So right now, I have 5,160 points. So I have enough money right now. It says I have enough money for a $3 Amazon gift card, but I actually have enough money for a Amazon gift card. But I think maybe because, I don't know. But you can go all the way up to 47,000 points and you can get a $50 Amazon gift card, $50 Zelle, or $50 in PayPal. And then they have badges if you complete your thing, and then these are just the history. So Coinout. And if any of these apps have links below, I will definitely have them for you guys. I think all three of those have a thing. Another thing is Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards, you get points for buying certain things, but as long as you continue scanning your receipts, you get points. You might get like 25 points, which is 2 cents, but if you think about it, you're scanning 10 receipts, that's 20 cents right there. So it does add up. That is an app that my mom absolutely loves. Anytime she gets a receipt, she'll scan it like the second she gets it. So that is a great app. My father-in-law loves this app. And you can get bonus points when you buy certain brand items. It's just a very easy thing. So Fetch Rewards, and it's pretty easy. They do have a daily thing where every time you scan your thing, you can like click this thing to get like bonus points. But the only thing about the redemption of this is it varies. So like either 5,000 points is $5. So it might be $5 gift card for like one company, but it might not be a $5 gift card for another one. So their points kind of fluctuate depending on how you redeem. But Fetch Rewards is pretty easy. I actually been to their headquarters. They're based out of my town, so I kind of want to go back there and do another visit with them. But Fetch Rewards is an easy app. Again, I have the link below if you guys are interested in that. Another one to get is Amazon Shopper Panel. I've done these videos before. If you guys want a more in tune video, definitely check that out. But Amazon Shopper Panel is all you need to do is you scan 10 receipts a month. It can't be Whole Foods, it can't be any of the Walmart brands, but you just scan 10 receipts a month and you will automatically get a $10 Amazon gift card at the end of the month. Actually, you get it on the first or second day of the following month. I also have it where they randomly have surveys. So I already did 2 surveys. Today's November 5th, and I've already done 2 surveys. I made $1 just off of 2 surveys. And then they have it where if I have it for the ads, so I have it where they check like my phone for ads, I get $2 automatically. I don't care. With me scanning all this stuff, they can take my ads away. I don't care. But so far, I've already earned $13 for this month. So I will continue checking this app for surveys, but I've already done my 10 receipts and I made my money for it. So I will get that either on December 1st or December 2nd, my now $13. So pretty easy app to use. Another thing to use is like there's My Points and Swagbucks. You can scan your receipt. You get like 2 points for every receipt you scan. I don't really just do that stuff, but yeah. There's Box Tops. Box Tops is where if you buy the Box Tops brand, so it's usually like General Mills, Campbell's Soup, Lysol's included, Pillsbury's included. So if you buy any of those brands, you can actually scan your receipt and you give money to your school. So that's something that you don't get to keep, but you give money to your schools. And I absolutely love it. And there is a bonus if you guys click the link below. But I've already earned $58.90 for my son's school. You can actually pick the school, you can pick the grade that they're in, which is a great way to raise money. So that's just something where if you guys buy certain deals, and you can check and see what products are included. Right here it tells you all the products that are included. So make sure you guys are giving money to your schools, because if you're scanning receipts, just spend like another minute scanning it to another store. Another thing I use is Receipt Jar. Now they're kind of new, but all you do is you scan your receipts. It's just like Receipt Pal and Receipt Hog. You scan receipts and then you earn points. Like I'm at 7,000 points right now. I haven't connected any of my online companies, but I just do the scan receipts and then they do shakes. So right here, you play, when you get so many receipts, you like get it and then you can like shake it. Again, my kids play this for me. I'm like, go for it. So I just won 10 points. Wow, 10 points. So that's kind of cool for that. But right now I have it where if I get 19,000 points, I will get a $100. Is it cash out? Or I thought I picked an Amazon gift card. They do it. And then if you connect your online accounts to these, you'll get an extra 100 points. So these things do take time to get, but it's an easy thing to do. So those are all the apps that I get where you scan receipts. There's also Brand Club. It's going to shut down on me. It does this. It opens up and then it shuts down on me. And then I click it again and it opens. So what I do is for this, I don't need to scan my receipts. But I have my Target connected. I have my Amazon connected. I have Walmart connected. You can do Best Buy, Chewy, and then now it just asks for my grocery store. And all I do is every time I enter my phone number at like Target or enter my phone number at my grocery store, I have a Kroger affiliate grocery store. When I do Walmart, I actually scan my receipts into my Walmart app, and this does it for you. So like what you'll do is you just hit this plus button, and then it'll like sync everything in here. So it'll find all my groceries in here. I'm not going to do it right now. But then it'll say, oh, you got like $2.34, or you got so many cents. So if you buy certain brands, you just got to do that. But you want to make sure you're join the brands. So how to join the brands? You just go to join. You'll see a ton of brands. So like, let's see. I pretty much clicked everything. But you can click anything you want. So let's see, what do I buy? Okay, Ollie. Let's just join Ollie. So anytime I buy an Ollie product, I will get a bonus. I'll get a couple cents for buying an Ollie product. So that's kind of cool with Brand Club. You don't really have to scan your receipts. You just got to make sure you join those clubs. But as you see right here, I mean, I made 28 cents for buying something on Amazon for my son. Right here, I made $2.40. I usually do this once a week. So I made $2.40. I'm a Funko member, so I made 34 cents for buying something Funko. I made, I don't know, something cents with Nintendo. There's 3 of them. I bought something that was Aussie, so I got bonus points for that. Werther's, World's Best Cat Litter. So I just made $2.40 for buying specific brands. I bought some clearance stuff at Target the other day. I bought a mask for $2, and I got 34 cents for purchasing it. I got some Werther's Originals. I made a profit off of those, but I still made 10 cents off of that. So just saying, you guys join Brand Club. It is a little bit confusing, but you just want to make sure you have your links connected. I have to connect my Walmart is connected. But then they also have it where they have like a daily deal. So like right here, if you buy this Teal's Epsom salt for $4.97, you will get $3 back. Then here is a walk-ins thing where if you buy it for $12.35, you get $7 back. If you buy a thing of Brawny for $22.99, you'll get $10 back. Huggies. So it's a daily deal. It's different every single time. I have yet to do it. I always forget to do it, but they do sell out after so long. But it's an easy deal. So those are the apps that I say if you guys need money and you want to save up, these are the apps that scan your receipts, make sure your accounts are connected, and you guys can get free money with very little effort. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. Another thing is Crowdtap. This isn't a receipt thing, but this is an app where all you do is you do surveys. You do surveys. I do have a link again below for this, but you just answer a couple surveys. And so like right here, these are surveys. You're just going to click one. It's going to ask you some questions, and then you get points. So like right here, it's asking me about automobiles. So I will start that. And then every 1,000 points you get is $5, I think. So like right here, we can do an Amazon. So if I had 1,000 points, I can get a $5 gift card. I need 30,000 points for a $150 Amazon gift card. They do have it. They have Amazon, Target, Walmart. They got tons of different rewards that you guys can do. Just spend like 5 minutes a day or 10 minutes a day doing a survey, and you can easily get over 1,000 points in less than a week. And as long as you keep doing it, you'll keep getting more and more money. I've done this for years, and then I kind of got bored with it, but you know what? If you need some easy money, this is definitely the way to go for it. So just wanted to share with you guys some easy receipt apps and easy ways to earn gift cards with very little effort. You don't need any credit cards, nothing connected to that Brand Club. They just want something connected, because that's if you're doing those instant buys. But all the other things, they don't need any credit cards, nothing, zip, zitch, zero. So it is easy freebie money. But I wanted to share with you guys on that in case you guys are looking to make some income, and those are the best ways to be. So give this video a great big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so I can share with you guys some more easy deals on your phones, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.